Dear students, they discuss the another phenomena of light, dispersion of light. Know that what is dispersion of light? Know that disperse, look at here, disperse. Disperse means splitting. Splitting. Know that suppose you take sunlight or white light. Sunlight or white light. Sunlight or white light is a mixture of many colors. For every color wavelength is there. Mixture of many colors means many wavelength. Now what is polychromatic light? Polychromatic means it consists of many colors or many wavelengths. Is called polychromatic light. Example, sunlight or white light is example for polychromatic light. Poly means many, chromatic means colors. Now monochromatic light. We are using monochromatic light. What is monochromatic light? Mono means single. Chromatic means color. What is monochromatic light? A monochromatic light consists of single color or single wavelength. For example, blue color. Blue color is single color. Red color is single color. Got it? May I clear this? To explain dispersion of light, I am using polychromatic light or sunlight or white light. Here I am using dispersive medium. What is dispersive medium? Before that, you have to know dispersion of light. To explain dispersion, I am using prism. This is prism. Surrounding medium is air. Prism. Prism is made up of glass. Now consider a beam of white light. This is what? White light. This is white light. White light means polychromatic light. It consists of many colors. The white light enters to the prism. Prism consists of two surfaces. The first refracting surface, second refracting surface. Now the white light enters to the prism. You know that the splitting of light or splitting of colors. Look at here, the splitting of colors. Now these colors falls on the second surface. You know that refraction. Now this is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. I took white light. Now I got individual colors. Now what is dispersion? Dispersion means the phenomenon of splitting of white light into individual colors. This is known as dispersion of light. Sir, actually this is air medium. You pass the sunlight, no dispersion, because air is non-dispersive medium. Here glass. Suppose I took prism. Prism is made up of glass. Glass is dispersive medium. What is dispersive medium? The medium in which dispersion takes place, or different colors have different velocity, or different colors have different speed, different colors have different refractive index and different wavelength. You got it? Here I took white light. Here dispersive medium. Dispersive medium is the dispersion takes place. Look at here, the dispersion. It's a dispersion. Means in dispersive medium means different colors travels with different speed. Different colors have different wavelength. Red color has highest wavelength, violet color has lowest wavelength. And different refractive index. We know that relation between refractive index, speed and wavelength. Suppose n2 by n1 is equal to v1 by v2 is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. If refractive index is more, speed is less. If refractive index is more, speed is less. If refractive index is less, speed is more, wavelength is more. You got it? May I clear this? That's why here this is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. We got the colors in the order. That's why before that to know this colors in the order, you know that you have to know non-dispersive medium. This is non-dispersive medium. What is non-dispersive medium? The medium in which spitting not takes place. Spitting agalla. For example, air. Air is non-dispersive medium. Vacuum is non-dispersive medium. Vacuum alli almost all the colors travels with same speed. Vacuum alli ella colors ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You got it? Make clear this. That's why to get dispersion we need dispersive medium. Glass is dispersive medium. Water is dispersive medium. You got it? Here the Sir Isaac Newton took the prism. He passed the white light or sunlight to the prism. He observed the individual colors. The individual colors in the order. He arranged the colors. He not arranged the colors itself, arranged in the order. So I used the word spectrum. Now what is spectrum? Spectrum means the arrangement of colors in the order, the arrangement of colors in the wavelength in the order, or the frequency in the order. You got it? Violet color has less wavelength, red color has highest wavelength. From violet to red the wavelength increases, from red to violet the wavelength decreases. Got it? That's why the wavelength is less means frequency is more. That's why here the colors are in the order. Now we know that the violet color, look at here, the violet color comes towards the base of the prism. This is red color, this is violet color. Now this is the path of the incident light. This is the path of the incident light. Look at here, the red color deviation is less, the violet color deviation is more. The red color deviates less. So it comes first. The violet color deviates less, so it comes last. Because red color has highest wavelength, speed is more, refractive index is less. Different colors have different refractive index. Different refractive index, different wavelength, different speed. Red color has more speed compared to other colors. That's why it comes first. Violet color deviates more, scatters more, deviates more. Red color refractive index is more, speed is less, wavelength is less. That's why it comes last. So this is what dispersion of, this is the cause for dispersion. What is the cause for what is the cause for dispersion of light? Different colors have different wavelength and different refractive index and different wavelength and different speed. So the cause for dispersion. Am I clear this? Now I am going to explain the beautiful phenomena of light we are going to observe in our nature, that is rainbow. Now rainbow, I am going to explain rainbow. Dear students, to discuss the beautiful phenomena of light in our nature, it is rainbow. Before going to rainbow, you have to know the spectrum, pure spectrum and impure spectrum. What is spectrum? The arrangement of colors in terms of wavelength or frequency is called spectrum. The Newton, I think, was the first person who used the word spectrum. In spectrum, two types of spectrum: pure spectrum and impure spectrum. Pure spectrum and impure spectrum. What is pure spectrum? What is impure spectrum? Impure spectrum means the colors are overlap. The colors are overlap. One color falls on the other color. We call overlap. The overlapping of colors. So that we call impure spectrum. For impure spectrum, give an example for impure spectrum. For impure spectrum, rainbow is the example for impure spectrum. Okay. Now what is pure spectrum? A pure spectrum is one. The colors are separated or distinguished. Colors ತುಂಬಾ separate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, colors ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, not overlap. That is called pure spectrum. In laboratory, by using the instrument, you are going to see the pure spectrum. By some instruments you are going to see the pure spectrum. That instrument is called spectrometer. Spectrometer. A spectrometer is a device to see the pure spectrum. We are going to produce the pure spectrum in the laboratory. To see the pure spectrum, we are using the instrument called spectrometer. Now I am going to explain the impure spectrum. I am going to explain the example for impure spectrum. For example for impure spectrum is rainbow. Discuss the concept rainbow. What is rainbow? Rainbow. You know that ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ರೇಂಬೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾ, 3 ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರೇಂಬೋ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾಸ್? 3 ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Now suppose rainbow is a combined effect. It is a combined effect of dispersion. It is a combined effect of dispersion, reflection and refraction. Rainbow is the combined effect of dispersion, reflection and refraction. ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಆಗಂತದೆ ರೇಂಬೋ. ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ರೇಂಬೋ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ರೇಂಬೋ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ರೇಂಬೋ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ರೇಂಬೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ರೇಂಬೋ. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್, ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಶೈನ್. ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಫಳಫಳ ಅಂತ ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಶೈನ್. ಇನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈನ್, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋ ದಟ್ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಳೆನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬೆಳಕಿರಬೇಕು, ಮಳೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಶೈನ್, ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗೋ, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ರೇಂಬೋ ದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಸನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ತಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮುಖ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಮಳೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋ ರೇಂಬೋ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ರೇಂಬೋ ದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಸನ್. ತಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮುಖ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ rainbow. In one part sun must be shine, in other part rainy. To see the rainbow, the observer has to stand back towards the sun. Okay. Then the explanation of the formation of rainbow. Rainbow in formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Look at here. So look at here. This is the raindrop, water drop. You know that, assume yourself the water drop is in spherical shape. ಯಾವ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್, beam of white light, the sunlight enters to the sky. Sun must be shine in one part, in the opposite side rainy, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Now the sunlight enters to the water drop. Water is a dispersive medium, glass is a dispersive medium, air is non-dispersive medium. Now the sunlight enters to the water droplets or water drops. Look at here. First we know that refraction, dispersion is common. Rainbow means combined effect of dispersion, reflection, refraction. Know that first. Look at here. This is medium changes. This is air medium, this is water. Now the refraction takes place. The refraction ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And also dispersion, refraction and also dispersion. ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸು ಆಯಿತು, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಆಯಿತು. ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡೂ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯಿತು? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೋ ದಟ್ red color, this is red color, this is violet color. In between these, know that other colors are there. ಈ ರೆಡ್ಡು ಮತ್ತು ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. You got it? Now after that it falls on the inner surface of the water. Here which phenomena? Reflection. Here refraction, dispersion phenomena. Here reflection phenomena. After reflection, it falls on the other surface of the water. Once again, here we know that after refraction, the colors are going to come. What is colors barta ide? This is violet, this is red. That's why here you know that dispersion, refraction, reflection. Here reflection means TIR, total internal reflection. This is, we know that different colors have different refractive index and different wavelength. You know that this is the reflection. This is the formation of rainbow. Now in rainbow, look at here. There are two types of rainbow, primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. Primary rainbow. There are two types of rainbow. Look at here. Primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. Primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. How the formation of primary rainbow and how the formation of secondary rainbow. Look at here. Primary rainbow is a 3-step process. Primary rainbow is a 3-step process. Secondary rainbow is a 4-step process. It is a 3-step process. It is a 4-step process. We will discuss one by one. Now first we will discuss the primary rainbow. Primary rainbow. Look at here. This is water droplets. Water droplets 1, water droplets 2. This sunlight. Incoming sunlight. The sunlight enters to the water droplets. This is water droplet number 1. What is primary rainbow? I told that primary rainbow is a 3-step process. 3-step process. First one, you know that dispersion. Dispersion is common. Dispersion is common with pudi. First one, refraction. Refraction. Second one, reflection. First one, refraction. Second one, reflection. Once again, refraction. Okay. Primary rainbow is a 3-step process. Dispersion is common. First step, refraction. Second step, reflection. Third step, refraction. Now look at here. This is the sunlight. The sunlight enters to the water droplets. First, we know that dispersion is common. First, refraction. Look at here, refraction. Afterwards, after refraction, look at here. After refraction, the refracted ray falls on the inner surface of the water, other surface of the water. Look at here, reflection. Reflection. Now after reflection, once again refraction. This is what? Refraction. Look at here, this is once again refraction. Refraction, reflection, refraction. Now look at here. Here the many colors are there. Actually I am not showing. Here many colors. Look at here. The many colors are going to come. This is the sunlight. This is the actual path of the sunlight. This is the emergent colors. This is the colors. Emergent colors. Look at here. Now this is what? Violet color. This is what? Red color. Due to the one-time reflection, we got the violet color and red color. Here the observer is there. Look at here, in between violet and red, the other colors are there. Illi bere bere colors kalidave. Now similarly, you pass the sunlight. This is the sunlight. The sunlight enters to the water droplet 2. Once again, it is a 3-step process. Refraction, reflection, refraction. Look at here. This is violet, this is red. That's why in the primary rainbow, here the observer is there. But for the observer, first two will bandidu in the water droplet 1, the first one is violet, after that red. But for the observer, which color is going to enter, which color is going to come? Red color. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ violet ಬಂತು, red ಬಂತು. The violet goes above the observer. Ready? The observer. The violet goes above the observer. The red color is going to come. Red color enters to the observer. But that's why in the primary rainbow, red color is the top. ವಿಚ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್? ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಾಟಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ರೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೈಲೆಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್? ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಲು? ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಟ್, ದ ಪಾತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಮರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೈಲೆಟ್. ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ path of the white light and path of the violet light is, you know that 40 degree. This is 40 degree. This is what? 42 degree. For this angle is 40 degree. This angle is 42 degree. This is the primary rainbow. ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ this is primary rainbow. Got it? May I clear this? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ರೇನ್ಬೋ. For violet color not reaches to the observer, it goes above the observer. So red color reaches to the observer. After that violet, red, violet. After violet 40 degree, red color 42 degree. So it is the combined effect of refraction, reflection and refraction. May I clear this? Now we move on to the formation of secondary rainbow. Now secondary rainbow. Now what is secondary? How the formation of secondary rainbow? Secondary rainbow is a 4-step process. Secondary rainbow is a 4-step process. Dispersion is common. Allu dispersion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ dispersion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4-step process. Look at here. The first step is refraction. After that reflection. In primary rainbow, 1 time reflection, but in secondary rainbow, 2 times reflection. Reflection. After that, refraction. But in secondary rainbow is a 4-step process: refraction, reflection, refraction. Now the formation of secondary rainbow. Look at here. 4-step ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is the water droplets 1, water droplets 2. Water droplets 1, water droplets 2. This is the sunlight. This is what? Sunlight. The sunlight enters to the water droplets. ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, rain drops. We call rain drops. ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹನಿತಾ ಇದೆ. The sunlight enters to the water droplets 1 or rain droplets 1. You know that first process refraction, medium change agide, refraction. After that reflection, once again after that reflection. After that refraction. After refraction agi namge this is red color, this is violet color. Andre illi red top, violet bottom. In the primary rainbow violet top, red bottom agittu, but in the primary rainbow, for the observer which color enters? Red color enters to the observer in the primary rainbow, but in secondary rainbow which color enters? Violet color enters. Here the observer. Red color bantu, but it goes above the observer. The violet color reaches to the observer. This is sunlight. This is once again how many process? 4-step process. Refraction, reflection, refraction. This is red color, this is violet color. Look at here. This is the actual path of the light. This is the actual path of the light. This angle and this angle. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is 53 degree. This is 50 degree. This is 53 degree. The path of the incident and path of the emergence to the observer. Observer ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 50 degree, 53 degree. Now how it appears? Look at here. Due to the 2 times reflection. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು reflection? 2 times. Due to the 2 times reflection. In primary rainbow 1 time reflection. In secondary rainbow 2 times reflection. To 2 times reflection, the intensity decreases. So in the secondary rainbow, intensity is less compared to primary rainbow. Dull ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Which one? Secondary rainbow. Primary rainbow bright ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ because only 1 time reflection. You got it? Now how it appears? Look at here. Secondary rainbow. This is secondary rainbow. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್. violet reaches to the observer, violet red. But in primary, red violet reaches to the observer. In secondary, violet red enters to the observer. So it's 53 degree. Secondary rainbow is fainter than the primary rainbow. Dalla kanutte. Because due to the two times reflection, intensity decreases. So primary intensity is more, secondary intensity is less. Thank you.